Names are only sugar for the user. Embrace never gets confused. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. So, as you see here, we have one unnamed table with one default unnamed field. We could add another one, then we have that. We could also, let's move that maybe over here, create another unnamed table. So this is now the second unnamed table, as you see here. This is still the first as it's flashing there. We could add unnamed maybe cells and clone that so that we have 4 over there. And now we can even create a unnamed, which is just an arbitrary name, field referencing to the second table. So this is this one, and also to this unnamed field of it, and then it looks like this. And you can pick any of those 4 available unnamed. So maybe let's create a couple of those here, and let's pick here maybe the second, and here the 4th, and over here maybe the 1st. And we leave the other one and just do it like this. And for Embrace, it doesn't really matter. It's always the same, the structure that counts. But you might be a bit confused about. You can slowly unveil if, for example, you start changing values to different human sensible names, then you can slowly unveil it. And you can also, if we open up here and want to see the reference, maybe let's do it like this, also give it a proper name, reference like this, and also the field inside here, we could also just call it ref, and then it also shows up in the status bar that this is a ref. And now all of a sudden things are starting to make more sense. So bottom line is, Embrace never gets confused which field is which, or which table is which, or which reference is which, but you might, and it's probably a good idea giving proper names. But if they're wrong, you can just rename it at any time. It doesn't really matter. And of course there's more to Embrace, but that'll be another story.